In everyday life, we must have experienced things that we do not want, such as when traveling, cooking, consuming food and others. For example, sudden eye pain, sore throat and others. Here are 7 simple tips in everyday life, which you never expected before but are very useful. 1. When you eat spicy food, it feels very spicy. Put salt in your mouth, hold it for a while and then throw it away and gargle. The spicy will disappear immediately. 2. The glass has traces of tea that are hard to lose. Wipe with toothpaste, leave for a moment, brush and rinse. 3. Eyes get dust? Close your eyes and cough hard, the dust will come out by itself. 4. After washing your face, put your finger on fine salt, continue to slowly massage both sides of the nose, then the blackheads and black dirt in the pores will disappear, and the pores will shrink. 5. Just been bitten by a mosquito, immediately smeared with soap, itching will disappear. 6. When the throat hurts, gingivitis at night, eat watermelon cut into small pieces with a little salt. At that time the situation will improve and the next day it will be cured. 7. Burping? Drink some vinegar, the burp will disappear immediately. That's some tips in everyday life, hopefully useful.